you ever noticed how whenever we have a task to complete, we often spend a lot of time at the start? It's a common experience. We begin with good intentions, but somehow the clock keeps ticking, and before we know it, we're left with very little time to actually finish the job. This time crunch can create a sense of urgency and stress, making it even harder to focus and do our best work. In this video, we'll explore why this happens, look at some familiar situations where it occurs, and discuss strategies to help you master your time and beat the clock. Start by looking at some everyday situations where this pattern shows up. Whether it's taking an examination, organizing a function, preparing to travel, or facing a tight deadline at work, the feeling is the same. We often spend too much time at the beginning, either planning, worrying, or simply procrastinating. As a result, we're left scrambling to finish everything in the final moments. Recognizing these scenarios is the first step toward changing our approach and making better use of our time. Think about the last time you sat for an exam. Many of us spend the first few minutes reading instructions, organizing our thoughts, or even feeling nervous. While it's important to understand what's expected, spending too long at the stage can eat into the valuable time needed to answer questions. By the time we start writing, the pressure mounts and we may rush through the rest, risking mistakes. Managing the initial moments wisely can make a big difference in exam performance. Organizing a function, whether it's a birthday party, a wedding, or a corporate event, often follows the same pattern. We might spend days or even weeks planning every detail, but as the event approaches, there's always a rush to get things done. Last-minute tasks pile up and we find ourselves wishing we had started certain preparations earlier. This rush can lead to stress and overlooked details, affecting the overall success of the event. Travel preparation is another classic example. We may start by making lists, checking documents, and imagining the trip, but packing and final arrangements often get delayed. Suddenly it's the night before departure and we're scrambling to fit everything into our bags, sometimes forgetting important items. This last-minute rush can make the start of a trip more stressful than it needs to be, and it's all because too much time was spent at the beginning, not enough on action. Deadlines are a part of life, whether for work, school, or personal projects. Often we spend the early stages thinking about how to start, gathering resources, or even doubting our abilities. This hesitation eats into the time available for actual work. As the deadline looms, the pressure increases and we're forced to rush, sometimes compromising on quality. Learning to balance planning with action is key to meeting deadlines without unnecessary stress. Thinking fast will help in organizing our time efficiently. But why do we spend so much time at the start of a task? Sometimes it's due to perfectionism. We want everything to be just right before we begin. Other times it's procrastination or fear of failure. We might also feel overwhelmed by the size of the task, leading us to delay action. Understanding these reasons can help us address them and develop better habits for managing our time. We spend too much time at the beginning of a task, the cost isn't just about rushing at the end. It can also mean increased stress, lower quality work, and missed opportunities. The pressure of a ticking clock can make it hard to think clearly, leading to mistakes or incomplete tasks. Recognizing the true cost of lost time can motivate us to change our habits and make better use of every minute. Good news is, we can break this pattern. By becoming aware of how we spend our time at the start of a task, we can make conscious choices to move forward more quickly. Setting small, achievable goals and focusing on action rather than overthinking can help. It's about finding a balance between planning and doing so we don't get stuck in the early stages. Effective planning means setting aside just enough time to organize your thoughts and resources, but not so much that it delays action. Try using tools like checklists or timelines to keep yourself on track. Allocate specific time blocks for planning and for doing and stick to them. This approach helps ensure that you're making steady progress from the very beginning. One of the most effective ways to avoid last-minute stress is to take action early. Even small steps can build momentum and make the task feel more manageable. Starting early also gives you more time to handle unexpected challenges so you're not caught off guard. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Getting started is often the hardest part, but it's also the most important. Distractions are a major reason we lose time at the start of a task. Whether it's checking your phone, chatting with friends, or getting lost in unrelated thoughts, these interruptions can add up quickly. Try to create a focused environment by turning off notifications, setting boundaries, and keeping your workspace organized. The less distracted you are, the more efficiently you can move from planning to action. Every time you complete a task, take a moment to reflect on how you managed your time. Did you spend too long at the beginning? Were there moments when you could have acted sooner? Learning from your own experiences can help you identify patterns and make improvements for next time. Over time, you'll develop a more efficient approach to any task. Building better time management habits takes practice. Start by setting clear priorities and breaking tasks into smaller steps. Reward yourself for taking action early and don't be too hard on yourself if things don't go perfectly. The goal is progress, not perfection. With each task, you'll get better at managing your time and reducing last-minute stress. In the end, mastering your time is about being aware of your habits and making small changes that add up over time. By recognizing when you're spending too much time at the start of a task and taking steps to move forward, you can reduce stress, improve your results, and feel more in control. Remember, every minute counts, so make the most of yours and beat the clock no matter what the task.